कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं।
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल इंग्लिश वाला यूट्यूबर। आई होप you are doing great and learning English language great way. So guys, today I am going to share one of specific topic, which one is WhatsApp. So today I will share something about merit and demerit about WhatsApp. So guys, stay tuned this video till the end. Definitely it may be very fruitful for you who is beginner, mostly who is beginner. So I hope, दोस्तों मेरा मानना ये है कि हमारे वीडियो से आप थोड़ा भी कुछ सीखते हैं तो मैं खुद को बहुत सौभाग्यशाली समझूंगा, क्योंकि मेरा मकसद सिर्फ यही है कि यदि मैं सीख सकता हूँ, मैं बोल सकता हूँ अंग्रेजी में, तो आप लोग क्यों नहीं। सो रियली इट मे बी वेरी फ्रूटफुल फॉर यू. सो इफ़ यू रियली like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. So now without wasting our precious time, let's directly jump into the topic. First of all, I would like to share my opinion about WhatsApp. What is the advantage and what is the disadvantage? So firstly, let's start from merit side, means what is the advantage of WhatsApp. So if I talk about advantage, so really nowadays near about 90 to 95% people they are using WhatsApp application. So आज हम इस WhatsApp के फ़ायदे और नुकसान के बारे में कुछ बताने और चर्चा करने वाले हैं. तो आप लोग अंत तक बने रहिए, तो ज़रूर आपको कुछ न कुछ आइडिया मिलेगा और जानकारी मिलेगी. सो नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग अबाउट व्हाट्सएप एंड व्हाट इज़ द मेरिट. सो नाउ डेज पीपल व्हेन दे आर यूजिंग व्हाट्सएप, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल while calling WhatsApp, so sometimes I think if we are calling voice call, so nowadays people they are busy somewhere, so that is why if they are not possible to accepting your call, so that time really they hit one message, yeah I am busy, I will call you later. So then opposite person they can understand, yeah really that person is busy, so when he will be free and she will be free, so definitely he call me back. This is the benefit. And second benefit is like that someone as like someone is facing some disease and they need to go any hospital. So if they are going there and doctor said to them, I have to take some of report from your disease. So then if they are taking like that any X-ray and any ultrasound, so definitely they can understand what he have. So then they can start your treatment and then definitely you will be recover. So what is the benefit of that? Actually that time if you are getting that report and then after you can send it to your relative or home doctor, who is your home doctor, you can send to them through the WhatsApp, and then really they can understand what is the disease and where you have to go and where is good doctor. So definitely you will get benefit from that kind of WhatsApp message. So really this is the merit side. And second one is like that, if you are a student and you have any problem for solving any question, so that time you are not able to solving that question, so you can send your question to your teacher by WhatsApp, and teacher they try to give reply on that question, and then you can understand. So this is the easy. Actually it is not possible to explain by voice call. So that time you can send any message by the WhatsApp, and then you can get solution. So this is the second thing. And third thing like that दोस्तों ना आजकल के भाग दौड़ की ज़िंदगी में किसी के पास उतना समय नहीं है। सपोज आपके यहाँ कोई शादी है या कोई फंक्शन है, तो आपके ज़रूर कई रिश्तेदार होंगे, दोस्त होंगे, तो सबके घर जाना बहुत मुश्किल है। सो देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, जस्ट ओनली make a message, and then after you send on group who is your relative and friend, and then only short time you have to give, and then after definitely they can understand and they will accept your invitation. Yeah, really all people they think that nowadays people they are busy, so that is why it's not possible to go every one house. And then if they send any WhatsApp message, yeah, this date, that date, there is one marriage function, yeah, birthday function, so he is inviting me, so then we should go there. So this is the third benefit. And fourth one is like that nowadays people they are very curious to learn English language also. So I think if you are making group, so that time you can make conversation and you can talk on WhatsApp, voice call and video call also. So then it may be very fruitful for learning this language. So that is why I want to share this thing. I mean WhatsApp is really very important nowadays. So if I talk about demerit side, so I think a disadvantage side, so really some of boys and girls they are misusing their WhatsApp like that when it comes to talking and video calling. So I think it's not possible to record that kind of audio call and video call on WhatsApp. So that is why they are misusing this kind of thing and application. And other way, suppose someone they call, unknown person they call you, and then you are not understanding, and if they say that I want to talk video call, and if you are talking video calling, so definitely they will record your video, and then after you will stuck any problem. So there is one kind of scam also. So दोस्तों कहने का मतलब है कि जहाँ फ़ायदे हैं वहाँ नुकसान भी है. Everywhere is pros and cons. So exactly like that WhatsApp also pros and cons. So that is why we should follow what is the pros and we should avoid what is the cons. अच्छे चीज़ के लिए हमें एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए और गलत चीज़ के लिए हमें नेगलेक्ट करना चाहिए, हमें अस्वीकार करना चाहिए. सो रियली वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग, सो दैट इज़ वाई वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड what is the right and what is the wrong. So then our future and life will be good and secure. So this is what I wanted to share in my video, in this video. So definitely, so guys I think, so guys I hope you learned something from this video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Really I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.